Welcome to Lower Learner here in the heart of Columbus, Ohio. This is a new flow track, a new mountain bike trail system. By the end of this, we have a nice ramp where you can do some jumps and you can test out your skills. Uh-oh, pretty tight.
Hello guys and welcome to IBC 101. About this place is located at Low Berliner Sport Park at the heart of Columbus, Ohio. This park is very new, it's supported by Combo, so if you haven't checked it out yet, you better come in and have a lot of fun. Also, if you like this video, consider to hit the like button, share and subscribe for new content, and hit the notification bell so you can have the latest things that I will be publishing. Thank you very much and have a good one.